My Bosch wall oven suddenly started making a buzzing noise and now is flashing E005. It was flashing E009 and displayed a kind of countdown. Now it's just loud and flashing E005.
Can you guesstimate how old your Bosch is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
I think 2011.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
No.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Now the bottom oven is locked.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. E005 means there is a communication error between the display board and the main relay board behind your oven. E009 means the front interface display board is shorting out. That would pretty much explain why you're getting all these problems. Try to flip the breaker off to the oven for 5 minutes and see if the electronics will reset. If you still have problems when you reapply power, the display control board, also known as the user interface board, would need to be ordered and replaced because it's shorting out. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.